TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 10. You get the Nasdaq up 10. S&Ps are up 2. Gold contracts up $6.50, trading at $11.7590. We have silver up 16 cents, $16.68 an ounce. Platinum's up $14 at $9.31. You get copper down 3.5 pennies at $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude's flat at $51 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note up 14 ticks, 125.05. 30-year bond up 22 ticks, 151.18. King dollar down 154 ticks, 100.945. The euro is trading at 106, and the yen is at 113. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. This is what you have happening in the SPY. SPY right now is trading at a price point of 220.02. That baby, once again, folks, bottom line is that you have a high volume high on Wednesday. Wants to hit it. That's 221.82. Dow Industrials, I think the Dow is testing that area right now. No, it hasn't tested it yet. So Dow's down 16. The area Dow wants to test is 19,225. That's where we come in with 1.6 billion shares. My take, we are in window dressing. It just wants to test it. Now, the NASDAQ Composite as well as the NDX 100. What do you have? You're going to get a bounce out of here. You're coming into the November 9th, November 10th, as well as September 12th and September 9th. All those days, folks, doing big downdrafts, monster volume, okay? So we came down fast, furious. You came into those days. Now you're going to get a bounce out of here. Bottom line, we'll see whether the NASDAQ can bounce up to this 53.64, which would be 100 points up from where we are. We'll see whether the bounce is on volume, meaning expanded, or lighter volume. I expect we're going to see it with lighter volume, and that's where you sell the heck out of it as it gets up there. There's 3 Qs. 3 Qs up 34 cents right now. You're at 115.81. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can bounce up to 117.90. And it's quite away from where we are. There's no two ways about that. But the bounce is in play. Yesterday, you'd come down with 39 million shares. Same dates, November 9th and 10th. You're coming into 70 million. You were coming into 75 million. You go back to September, you were coming into 50 million as well as 39 million. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants higher price. Bottom line with gold is trading up $7.20. You're at 11.76. Has a lot of work to do. No two ways about that. If we close today at over 11.7280, that's your first step. Next step, which is a much larger step, is going to be the 12.21. 12.21, folks, is where you broke down from on November 11th. Silver. We take a look at the silver market. What do you have with silver? Now, silver, is definitely a cycle market. Stronger than gold, though. SIH7. Well, when I say, it is stronger than gold because silver didn't break out its bottom. Silver out here, the bottom we're talking about, silver had hit $16.24 last week. Bottom line, silver wants higher price. Now, silver can get back inside its higher range much quicker. $17.25 is the higher range there. Notes and bonds, folks. That looks to me like they bottomed out here. We'll see how this shakes out. On the jobs number this morning, you had the notes spike. They're following through right now. Your 10 years up 17 ticks, 125.08. You get back inside 125.30, there's going to have some real action here inside that note market, as well as the bonds. Now, let's get over and take a look at the dollar. The dollar is building cause to blow away the 100.600. We have volume on the spike down this morning when the jobs number come out. We hit 100.765. Bottom line, I expect you're going to be down at that number. We'll see whether we blow through that number today. The number to keep your eye on is a 100.600, and what I expect you're going to see here, that number is going to get blown away, and then what we're going to be dealing with is that you're going to be dealing with a dollar in the next 6 to 9 months that wants to go back down into the 90 mark. So it's a big heads up. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Great time to get a foreign currency account, folks. Dollar strong. You're going somewhere, change those dollars. Put them under your mattress. Get euros, get pesos, get where are you going. Have a great one. Have a safe one.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.